Hi, this is how you use the built-in equalizer to adjust the sound of the JBL Live 680NC, something that I highly recommend doing to get the best possible sound out of the headphones. To do this, first make sure that the headphones are connected to your phone and that you have the JBL Headphones app installed. Then open up the app and select the Audio tab up the top. In here, you can firstly pick between a few different EQ profiles. If we click on the equalizer name, we also get the option to turn the whole equalizer on or off up the top, as well as that we get a little bit more of a better overview of the sound curves of each EQ profile. In here, we can also select any of the EQ profiles and then click the little edit symbol or tap the plus symbol to create our very own sound curve to really tune the listening experience to our own liking. If you are completely new to the world of equalizers, basically to your left you have the lower bass frequencies. In the middle you got the kind of body of the sound with most vocals, guitars, etc. And to the right you have the more high-end frequency sounds that are more bright, like snares and other sounds with a natural high pitch to them. So by all means dig around and test your way forward here. You can also delete any sound profiles that you don't like by tapping on the little trash icon in the EQ overview. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.